This is a simulated exercise for the Australian Navy. You've been trained to defend the ship and crew at sea. You operate sophisticated surveillance equipment to intercept, analyze, and identify unknown signals, like the one you can hear right now. Listen closely. What can you hear? Or should we ask, what can you see? Use a spectrogram to manipulate the electromagnetic spectrum and analyze this audio file. If you can see what can't be seen, you might be exactly who the Australian Navy is looking for. End transmission.